10 most dangerous mistakes tourists make in Africa, and how to avoid them planning to visit Africa. Don't make these 10 dangerous mistakes that could ruin your trip, or even put you at risk. Stick around, because number 10 might just save your life. Mistake number 1. Drinking unsafe water. Never drink untreated water. Streams, taps, or wells might look safe, but they can carry bacteria and parasites. Always boil, filter, or buy sealed bottled water to avoid serious illness. Mistake number 2. Ignoring food safety. Local food is amazing, but be careful. Avoid raw meats, uncovered street food, or dishes left sitting out. Stick to freshly cooked meals and follow the locals to the safest spots. Mistake number 3. Getting too close to wildlife. That lion looks majestic, but it's not your pet. Getting too close to wildlife is one of the most dangerous mistakes tourists make. Always respect animals and keep a safe distance. Mistake number 4. Traveling at night. Night travel can be risky, from road accidents to wildlife crossing the highway. Whenever possible, stick to daylight journeys. If you must travel, use trusted transport services. Mistake number 5. Flashing valuables. Showing off expensive jewelry, cameras, or phones makes you a target. Keep valuables hidden and only carry what you need for the day. Leave the rest in a secure place. Mistake number 6. Not following local advice. Locals know best. Ignoring their warnings about unsafe rivers, dangerous areas, or political gatherings can put you at risk. Listen to them. Their advice could save you. Mistake number 7. Poor packing choices. Packing for style instead of survival is a mistake. Don't forget essentials like bug spray, sunscreen, power banks, and sturdy shoes. You'll thank yourself later. Mistake number 8. Ignoring cultural etiquette. Africa is rich in culture and tradition. Forgetting simple manners, like greetings, modest dress, or asking before taking photos, can offend locals. Show respect, and you'll be warmly welcomed. Mistake number 9. Trusting every guide. Not all guides are trustworthy. Some are unlicensed or just scammers offering fake tours. Always book safaris and trips through verified operators, or your hotel. Mistake number 10. Skipping survival basics. Emergencies happen from getting lost to unexpected delays. Learn basic survival skills. How to start a fire, treat wounds, or navigate without GPS. These basics could save your life. Africa is one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Avoid these mistakes, and your trip will be safe, fun, and unforgettable. 10 most dangerous mistakes tourists make in Africa, and how to avoid them planning to visit Africa. Don't make these 10 dangerous mistakes that could ruin your trip, or even put you at risk. Here's how to avoid them and travel safely. Mistake number 1. Drinking unsafe water. Never drink untreated water. Always boil, filter, or buy sealed bottles. Mistake number 2. Ignoring food safety. Try local food, but avoid raw meats and always eat where it's freshly cooked. Mistake number 3. Getting too close to wildlife. Respect animals. They're wild, not pets. Keep distance. Mistake number 4. Traveling at night. Avoid unnecessary night travel. Stick to daylight journeys. Mistake number 5. Flashing valuables. Don't show off expensive items. It makes you a target. Mistake number 6. Not following local advice. Locals know best. Always listen to their warnings and tips. Mistake number 7. Poor packing choices. Don't forget basics like water filters,